steering column knock is pretty common for the Fiesta MK7, and the problem is in the steering column shaft. There is a special shaft that has a pretty bad connection, and this connection loses the lubrication, and when it loses the lubrication it starts making noises. It seems like it's the problem with the steering rack, but it's not the steering rack. If you hear these bumps, these sounds coming from somewhere near your feet, it means that this is the problem with the steering column. Also, it sounds like your tires grab the asphalt at a certain time when you are turning the steering wheel on a slow speed or when your car is stationary. This sound gets worse over time, and you shouldn't ignore it because it's the problem with the steering column and it's all about your safety. So the steering shaft can be replaced. It's not that hard because this is a small part that's and Ford knows that it's a problem because they made tons of these parts and they are available all over the world now. So you can buy it for about 150 euros, $150, depending on where you are. And this to replace this part you will also need to buy new bolts, because the Fiesta repair manual says clearly that you shouldn't reuse these bolts. These bolts have a special thread locker, and it's very important to not reuse these bolts in order to keep your drive safe. Of course, I would only buy the OEM shaft, because in earlier Fiestas it was faulty, but the modern shafts are quite okay. They don't cause these problems anymore, and I have replaced this 20,000 kilometers ago, so 13,000 miles ago, and no sounds from that time. Everything is working pretty well. Yes, there is the TSB for this problem, and I will leave the number of service bulletin. So if you're going to repair it on your own, you will get some help on step-by-step instruction. And if you're going to the dealership, you can show this TSB to them, because they don't know about all TSBs, and sometimes they can take another hour or two to diagnose your car, and this will result in more money paid to them.